What if I told you that there were hundreds of franchise brands out there that you have never heard of? They're brands with a very low level investment, low overhead, quick to ramp up, super easy to scale, all of which can help you create your financial future that you're looking for and allow you to finally be your own boss. And in this video, I'm going to introduce you to 3 franchise sectors that can help you create your better tomorrow. I'm Tim Parmeter. I'm the founder and CEO of FranCoach. We are a national search firm dedicated to helping people find the best franchise. Our number one goal is to help get you properly educated on franchise ownership. And then from there, we're going to help make sure we find you and your best fit for a franchise to own. So they all can kind of get lumped into what we refer to a broad term home service. There are almost 40 different niches that fall in home service. And when I say the word home, it can also be business, because if you could do it in your home, typically it can be done in a business. So we're going to take all of these different sectors. I want to talk about basically 3 categories. First off, none of those categories and none of those niches are you, the doer. You are the owner. Number 1 is enhance. So what's that mean? So enhance. That means we are going to go into the home or business and we are going to enhance things. It could be as simple as slapping a coat of paint on the walls. It could be complete massive bathroom remodel. It could be building a deck or something super cool outside. Well, these are typically project-based, usually big ticket items, high quality, tangible. This is what my kitchen looked like before. JCPenney catalog in 1977. Here's what it looks like now, before, after, wow. You are going to have more skilled labor, not exclusively, but this is a little bit more of a craft, a trade. Not everybody can build something, can come in and refurbish it again, completely give me a $40,000 kitchen makeover or build this big, massive outdoor oasis for me. Sometimes your staff is employees in this industry. Sometimes you're going to subcontract out to the expert. As an owner, you're going to say, I really like the tangible before and after. I like big ticket projects. I want kind of the wow of the quality with this. I want to work with people that kind of really like, that's really what they want to do as their job, that are the doers. That's enhance. So why do we look at maintain? So maintain, simple, staple, recurring, kind of never going away basics. Cleaning, landscape, pest control, those type of things. Our staff, now again, is the opposite. This is pretty unskilled for the most part. I can teach my 10-year-old how to mow the grass. He's not the best at it, but we're getting there. Things that we have a larger pool of people to pull from. They're going to, in most cases, be our employees, train them, help them develop. Oftentimes, there's a little bit of a pathway for them to, hey, come in on my landscaping business. You're going to start out, let's be the weed whacker boy. Then we're going to mow. Then we're going to learn, maybe we're able to do some hardscapes or some other little things that we could do. Maybe as the business grows, well, you aren't just a member of the team, now you're a team lead, right? So you give people a little bit of an opportunity with that. Heavy on the recurring, doing good job. People will come back over and over, and company that cleans my house, been doing it for 4 straight years. They do a good job. They're reliable. They show up when they're supposed to. They're going to have this contract in my house forever. So you have to like the quality. You have to want to make sure that the customers are happy. If something does go wrong, I pick up the phone and I call my cleaners. Hey, it looks like they missed the spot. Is it a big deal? No. Is it a big deal? Yeah. Come back out and get that fixed. Again, making that customer happy, knowing you may have a little bit more churn from a staff perspective, but also knowing you've got a really wide range of people that you could bring in for that. And then repair. Well, guess what? Something broke, you're going to go fix it. In demand, high need, kind of project-based stuff that I category the most. In August, in Arizona, my air conditioning went out last summer. How long do you think it took me to get on the phone and get an HVAC company out here? I mean, that was like instantaneous. They come out, they're here for maybe 30 minutes. Compressor's broken, $850. Here's my credit card. I would have carved out a kidney. Again, it was $112. We need that now. Tend to be project-based. There are some kind of recurring things with that. Sometimes you get some accounts, commercial accounts, property managers, things like that. Your staff is typically very highly skilled, trained, licensed. There are some repair things that we can kind of learn, but for the most part, they already know what they're doing. Plug them in, press play. They're great at doing the work. They love doing the work. They don't want to find the work. So you're managing people that they're absolutely doing things you should not be doing and making sure they have everything that they need, and knowing that no matter what's going on in the world, you have a service that when something goes wrong, people are calling you. As an owner, when you think about those kind of subtle little differences, that's what you're looking for. Oftentimes when we talk to people, they don't know exactly which is better for them or which is best of the 3. They might have a little bit of a preference. A lot of times we really like people seeing a couple of these at least just to really compare and contrast. So what's an owner do with all of this? Well, manage your staff. Make sure the marketing is in place. A lot of this is going to be driven from inbound leads that the franchise is helping create for you. This is not let's go knock on every door in the subdivision to see like, hey, is your AC broken? Is your house a mess? How's your backyard? That's not what we're doing with this. The other thing really for home service is be a connector in the community. Connect with other home service brands. If I have a landscape company, I'm probably gonna make friends with a pool company. Vice versa, we're gonna refer people back and forth, that type of thing. Connect with realtors are the best referral sources on the planet. They got somebody for everything. Property managers, commercial, residential, all of those different types of things where you just connect, build relationships, be that trusted resource, be a referral partner for them also. Sometimes you need an office, but not always. A lot of times you can start this from a home office. Low cost, again, you don't need much of anything. Maybe there's a small office, maybe there's a storage facility, but a lot of times it's out of your home office to start. We've got a vehicle or two, we got a couple people on our crew, maybe we've got a little stuff. You can start with a single territory, but you can expand into multiple territories and you don't really need anything else. We don't need to replicate multiple 2,000 square foot Class A real estate spaces like, maybe a small food or a fitness thing. We just need more turf, a little more money on the marketing in the new territory. We need another vehicle, another crew. Poof, we just doubled our revenue potential with that second territory with a fraction of the cost it costs us to get into the first one. The majority of these brands, are they going to win the award for the sexiest business on the planet? Absolutely not. Until you look at the financial side of things. Very low cost, low overhead, quick ramp up, easy to scale, unlimited potential. There's no ceiling on this, literally or figuratively. Fitness franchise, there's only so many people, so many classes you can have in there at one time. If I have a territory of 50,000 households, I can have all of them as a customer if I want, even though I really only need probably 1% or so of the whole population to build a good business. There's no cap on it. So I can keep growing and expanding with this all within the same territory, plus being able to expand. The home services are just an absolute incredible opportunity, incredible way to get into business ownership, working for yourself, taking the control, knowing you don't have to be the doer, run your own business, be in control of your time, freedom, flexibility, the decisions that are made in the business. The success in the business is based on you, your skills, your expertise, and being able to grow this thing. That's how this works. If you have any interest in home service or anything out there, you want to learn more, reach out to us. Here's our website, FranCoach.net. There's never ever any fee for our service. Seriously, it is 100% free. We are here for you. Let's help you see if we can help you kind of create your better tomorrow.